fish.
No, I get off the chair to stoke the fire up, turn around, and the dog's sitting on your chair. So you've got to sit on the ground.
As you do, yes. Okay, so we've got our little shade tent there. We've got Easter eggs and chocolate there. We've got the dog's yard there. Might need a bit of a paint up soon. And we've got the picnic table setting that I bought the other day there. We've got some bottled water there. And I've got to put some frozen stuff in the morning. Can't think of anything else, so we must be ready. And whatever we haven't got, we just haven't got. All right. All ready to go in the morning. Hi, my name's Wendy, and I've got the kids here, Bella and Charlie, and if you've been here before, you know we love everything outdoors. Sorry about my noisy car. We love camping, bike riding, bushwalking, stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, you name it, we love it. We're on our way to camp now. We're about to meet one of our friends, well, after about an hour's drive. And then we'll travel the rest of the distance together. Not really sure where we're going. I know the general area, but we'll find out when we get there. Good thing for Google Maps, that's all I can say. I'll stop yakking now and we'll be on our way.
In 150 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Kings Meadows Link, 403.
Charlie's getting back in the van. We've just had a pit stop. And we're out in the middle of whoop whoop. What was that, Sally? Okay, pit stop complete and we're on the road again. we, kids? Oops. They're covered in bidgies, or budgies, or budgies, or whatever you want to call them. Hey, get out and shut the gate, open the gate. Be right there. Be right there. We have arrived. I guess. Look at Bella. What are you doing? We're here. Hey?
That's too funny.
They've got their own Facebook page, so
Oh, that's hilarious.
so we video.
It's really funny.
Look at all. Bella and
Just
well.
milking the goats right now.
Oh, are you?
Yes.
Oh,
Right, so yeah.
okie doke. Oh, no wonder it was so noisy in here. We had the fan right up. Hey? What sort of track is this? And look at this. Sally Ann's added some finishing touches to the picnic table.
Not straight.
Oh, look at that. And she's a perfectionist. Look at her. So Sally Ann's got her regular setup. And I've got my regular setup. We'll go in and see what the kids are doing. Then I am going to eat because I am starving. I'm a starving Marvin. Hey bunnies. Hey bunnies, you got a little Easter egg too. Okay. Hey Belle, are you right there? Are you okay? Do you want to go for a swim after? You can go for a swim. What about you, Charlie? Where are you? Do you want to go for a swim after? Do you? Hey? I guess our view is not too bad out the bedroom window. Just not near the water like we thought we were going to be. But it is what it is. We will go down to the river later though and set up a little outside camp down there. It is pretty down there, isn't it, Charlie? Isn't it, Bill? Hey? There we go. Better get that out of the sun. That's not real good for it. There we are. That's our camp set up so far. Now for food, because I'm hungry. Let's start. We'll put the solar panel there. There's one on the roof. So should be right for power. And I've got a little 40 amp hour power bank as well. So, my chair, the kids' chairs. Huh. Okay. Oh, and not a bad view all the way around, really.
That stinks.
Does it, Sally?
Yeah, I need to put some water in it, I think. Some stuff. Oh, I think that's it for a minute. I need a drink.
Food time. It's nice and pretty down here. Come on, kids. Oh, Charlie. Oh, you're all tangled, darling. Come on, Bill. Come on, you can go for a swim. Stay there, kids. Stay there. You're right, darling. That's why. Bella, get out of it. What a fire! You're a good fire maker, Sally Ann.
Oh, thank you. I was a girl guide leader, you know.
I was a bluebird once. Must be time for another joke, Sally Ann.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yep, okay. So this lady, she goes to the doctor. And she said she's come on behalf of her husband, but he doesn't know she's there because he's very embarrassed. Just recently he hasn't been able to perform in bed very well, if at all.
Poor man.
And he said, well, just get him to take some Viagra. She said he won't take it. He's too proud, he won't take it. He gave her a little packet and he said, just slip one of these in his coffee, you won't know. So anyway, she goes away and comes back and he goes, well, how did that work? And she goes, oh, it was great. I've never seen him like it. I put it in his coffee, he knocked everything off the table, he threw me on the table, he had his way with me. And oh my God, I didn't think he was ever going to stop. He said, so what's wrong then? She said, I don't think we can ever go back to Starbucks.
Back to what?
Starbucks. The coffee shop.
Cheers for that one. Oh my God. I wasn't expecting that.
You can just visualise it, can't you?
Oh my God.
Probably best not to. What do you reckon, Belle? Hey, look at you. Look at you. Bella. Are you right back there, Charlie? You kids all right over there, wherever you are? If you ever get the chance, you should watch the movie Deliverance. It's an old, it's an older movie, like it's older.
Yeah.
But everyone kept saying, oh, you've got to watch Deliverance. Have you seen Deliverance? You've got to watch Deliverance. And as soon as I asked someone if they'd watched Deliverance, they'd go, oh, squeal like a piggy. I'm thinking, I've got to watch it. Oh my goodness.
I'll have to see if I can find it.
Yeah. This place reminds me of Deliverance.
Stop it!
Country. It is a lovely peaceful night.
It is. It's amazing.
Ever since I thought I heard,
Not windy.
ever since I've heard, I thought I heard, first I thought I smelled cigarette smoke outside in the yard when I went outside at night.
What yard?
At home. Smelled like cigarette smoke.
Yeah.
And I said to Robert, I said, I think there's someone, I think I could smell cigarette. I said, I'm probably imagining it, but I'm pretty sure I could smell cigarette smoke. And he said, oh, it's probably just the poppy stubble being burnt off. And that makes sense, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And a few nights later, I went out to go to the van and I just had my hand on the gate and I heard someone,
Charlie?
I heard someone, like on the gravel in the driveway, someone walking off the gravel quietly. And it freaked me out. And I went in and I said to Robert, I said, I think there's someone outside. What? He was sound asleep. You woke me up. I said, I think there's somebody outside. Why? I heard footsteps on the gravel. He says, probably a wallaby. And I said, I know what a wallaby sounds like. I said, but I'm too scared to go out and shut the van and the car now, lock it up. So he had to get out of bed and come out. The only time I've been frightened is if I've been on my own, which isn't very often when I'm out there, and the dogs start growling real quietly.
Yeah.
That freaks me out.
That's probably a possum.
No, they just run out the door barking flat out if it's a possum. It's just that real... Yeah, that sort of growl, Bella. That scares me, Bill.
Keeps them occupied though, doesn't it?
What's that?
Yeah.
sitting over there with all your friends. I love this.
What percent is this alcohol?
Hey?
What percent is this
14%, I think.
You might have to take it home.
Yeah, I've got it on video. See?
No.
What is it? What is it?
What's that? I can't see it.
Over there. Oh, over near that big tree.
Yeah.
Look down the bottom and look back across. It's big. Oh my god, what is it? What is it, Sally Ann? What is it?
Yeah.
There, where I'm shining the torch. See it? It's huge.
What?
It's huge. Oh my god, Sally Ann, what is it? See that big tall tree?
Yeah.
And there's a half a stump. Can you see its eyes? Oh. Charlie, did it go?
Right? It's nearly fallen off.
Okay, so that big thing over there was either a giant possum
Cat.
or a giant cat or a
Possum
cross
cat.
between both. So it could be a possum cat. Now you,
Oh, it could be Easter Bunny. Easter Bunny's coming early.
it could be.
Easter Bunny.
It was Easter Bunny. So there you
Oh.
go. Now we have to wait for Christmas to see if Santa Claus creeps in the bush too.
Oh, oh,
Well, there you go. It was Easter Bunny. There's Easter Bunny.
oh. I get off the chair to stoke the fire up, turn around, and the dog's sitting on your chair. So you've got to sit on the ground.
As you do. Yes. Charlie's flaked it. Dallas has flaked it.
In the chair.
Where's Lily?
Here.
She's flaked it over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Charlie's laying over on the rocks. I put my jacket down for him to lay on. He's laying on the rocks.
Bill. Wait.
Is it a fish or a platypus? Oh, geez. Or a water rat.
What is it?
Something.
Platypus.
It's an eel.
What is it?
Something in the water. Well, after a good night by the campfire, we're in bed, snuggled up. Charlie's sleeping on the bed. Bella's decided to sleep over on the front seat. Sally Ann's gone to bed in her tent with her two westies. We had a good old chat by the campfire. I've got a bit of video I'll show you when I edit all the videos of this big, huge, I don't know whether it was a possum or a giant cat. It looks like a cross between the two, but it was huge. You can see its yellow eyes glowing. I'll have to Google to see what colour cat's eyes reflect as or possum eyes reflect as, but it was huge. But I'll show you when I finally edit all the video together. Oh yeah. So it's time for bed now. I might just listen to something or watch something and then start all over again tomorrow. So I'll see you in the morning. I am tired, but it's been a good day. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you in the morning. Night.